In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email thread with your sequence in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your sequence so follow-ups land in the same conversation, keeping your outreach tidy and easier for prospects to follow. First, open HubSpot. If you're not already there, search for HubSpot in your browser and head to the login page. Sign in with your account and make sure you're using the correct workspace where your sales tools and sequences live. If you don't see the options we're using today, you may need Sales Hub access or the right permissions from your admin. Once you're in, look to the top navigation and click Sales. This opens up the Sales Tools menu where sequences are managed. From there, choose Sequences. You'll see a list of your existing sequences, including any that are active or still being built. Pick the sequence you want to adjust and click Edit. Editing ensures you're modifying the exact series of steps your contacts will experience rather than creating something from scratch. Inside the sequence editor, look for the plus icon. This is how you add the next step in your sequence. When you click it, HubSpot will show you the available actions, such as sending an automated email, creating a task, or adding a delay. For threading, you'll typically choose an automated email as your next action. After you click the plus icon, select the next action that the sequence will perform. If you're aiming to create a thread, choose an automated follow-up email. As you do, keep in mind that threading relies on replying to the previous email rather than starting a fresh subject line. This helps your recipient see your follow-up in context and can improve response rates. Now, start editing. In the email editor, look for options that let you send the message as a reply to the previous email in the sequence, reuse or reference the earlier subject line, and maintain continuity. Keep the body concise since replies should feel like a continuation, not a brand new pitch. Personalize with tokens to pull in the contact's name or company, and reference the prior message so the thread reads naturally. Keep your tone consistent with the first email and avoid changing the subject unless you intentionally want a new conversation. Use previews to confirm the thread formatting looks right and save your changes when you're happy with the content. That's it. You've navigated to your sequence, added the next step, and edited the email so it threads properly, keeping your outreach clean and cohesive.